Welcome to Amrita IAS Academy. So we are discussing Shatavahanas. In Shatavahanas introduction that we have seen, next we have to see what are the important sources to know the history of these Shatavahanas. What important sources are there? One is literary sources you have to know. One is archaeological sources indicates inscriptions. Do you know the study of inscriptions is called epigraphy? Study of inscription, epigraphy. Study of coins, numismatics. Okay. On the coins, some symbols are given. Study of symbols on the coins, that is called sigillography. All these you have to know, right? So then, coming to sources, Shatavahanas. Shatavahanas. We are calling this Shatavahanas. Okay. So what capitals existed? Three capitals existed. Pratishtanapura or Python, that is one. Dhanyakatakar, Dharnikota, that is one. Amaravati we are calling. So after that, if you see this, so the Srikakulam, that is the third capital, right? So like that, capitals, symbol, all these already we discussed. Then, what are the sources? Shatavahanas. To know the history of these Shatavahanas, what sources are there? Coming to literary sources. Literary sources. Coming to literary sources, what important books there are there which are giving? So outside Shatavahanas we have to see, Shatavahanas period also we have to see. Outside Shatavahanas, if we see, this the Guide to Geography that was written by Ptolemy. Okay, so Ptolemy wrote the book. Ptolemy. So he wrote the book, The Guide to Geography. The Guide to Geography. The Guide to Geography, that was written by whom? That was written by Ptolemy. Ptolemy wrote the book, The Guide to Geography. That is one of the important. Pliny wrote the book, Natural History. Pliny. This Pliny wrote the book, Natural History. Natural History, that was by Pliny. So first you see, the Guide to Geography in this he said that where exactly the Satavahana Empire located. Shatavahana Empire, where it existed like that. So this Guide to Geography that says. Okay. So then coming to Pliny wrote the book Natural History. So this said about what, in the sense how this Roman, Italian gold moved to India. So this Shatavahana Empire like that. Because Roman coins they are called Dinara Mashakas. Roman coins are called Dinara Mashakas. How this Italian gold or Roman gold that moved to India like that, it was said in this Pliny's Natural History. That is one. Then, one anonymous author wrote the book Periplus of the Erythraean Sea. Anonymous means author is not known. Anonymous indicates author is not known. The book is Periplus of the. This Periplus of the Erythraean Sea. Erythraean. Periplus of the Erythraean Sea. That's a book written by, so this anonymous author. Anonymous means author is not known. Okay. It said about sea trade. How this Shatavahanas maintained international traded commerce with other countries, mainly with Rome. So like that. So this was said in this book, especially Periplus of the Erythraean Sea. That's one of the important books. Anonymous, you can see. So then, Megasthenes wrote the book. Megasthenes wrote the book Indica. In this Megasthenes Indica, he also said about, so this one, Megasthenes especially, Mauryan Empire, in the period of Mauryas only. So this Megasthenes he lived. Indica, that was the book written by, so there is Megasthenes. He was an ambassador, lived in the court of Chandragupta Maurya. Megasthenes, he was an ambassador, lived in the court of Chandragupta Maurya. He said that Shatavahanas got 1 lakh army, that was there to this one, and many forts are existing to Shatavahanas like that, he said. Okay. So, and he also described this Pataliputra. He described the city Pataliputra that was described by this man, like that Megasthenes wrote the book Indica and Pataliputra. The length of Pataliputra is 13 kilometers. Width is 2.5 kilometers. Like that, it was all said by, so this one, and Pataliputra that comes in Patna. So he said about Pataliputra, he said about Shatavahana Empire. Okay, Shatavahana Empire, he said what, in the sense 1 lakh army that was there to the Shatavahanas, and at the same time 30 forts. 30 forts are existing too. These Shatavahanas like that. He said that 1 lakh army, 1 lakh army that is there too, Shatavahanas, 1 lakh army that is existing to Shatavahanas like that it was said. He also said that there are 30 forts. So 30 forts are existing to Shatavahanas like that it was said by these Megasthenes in the book Indica. This Indica that was translated into English by Crendel because it is in Greek language. So this was translated into English. So it was translated in English by Crendel. Crendel translated this one into English, right? So like that you have to remember. So then after if we see, so this Megasthenes wrote the book this one. Huyen Song. Huyen Song. Huyen Song wrote the book Siyuki. Siyuki. This Siyuki also what happened in the sense said about this Shatavahanas. Okay, conditions at this moment, how this Buddhism that was there like that, it was said in Huyen Song's book Siyuki. Siyuki that was in Chinese language because he was a Chinese traveler who came to the court of this Harshavardhana. Okay, Huyen Song visited the court of Harshavardhana but said about this one. Siyuki that was translated into English by Walters. Who translated this one English? The Siyuki translated into English by Walters. Walters translated this one into English. So this also said about the Shatavahanas that you have to remember. Huyen Song's book. So then after if we see, so there is Banabhatta. Banabhatta lived in the court of Harshavardhana. Harshacharitra, Kadambari they were written. Okay, especially what happened in the sense. So this Banabhatta also said about so this Shatavahanas in the book. Okay, Banabhatta, Harshacharitra, Kadambari they were written by this Banabhatta. This Banabhatta wrote Harshacharitra. Harshacharitra. In this Harshacharitra also he commented about this one. Like that, number of books outside Shatavahanas, if you see, these are all the important books said about. So the Shatavahanas like that. Suppose if you see indigenous sources within this one, if you see Puranas, they said about Shatavahanas. Puranas. So you see Puranas, they are also giving good account about this one. Puranas are 18 number. So how many Puranas are there? 18 Puranas are there, you have to remember. Ashtadasha Puranas we are calling. We are calling Ashtadasha Puranas. Okay, Ashtadasha Puranas like that it was said. Ashta indicates 8, Dasha indicates 10. Total 18. Ashtadasha Puranas we are calling. Ashta indicates 8, Dasha indicates 10. Ashtadasha Puranas. Okay. So in that first Purana, Brahma Purana, last Purana, Brahmanda Purana. So this Matsya Purana only said that 30 rulers are there in Shatavahanas. Nearly 456 years they administered like that. Which Purana said in the sense? It is Matsya Purana. Vishnu Purana said only 17 rulers. Vishnu Purana said only 17. But Matsya Purana that was considered. So which Purana here? First in Puranas, first one Brahma Purana we can say. So there is Brahma Purana. So there is the first one. Brahmanda Purana was the last one. Last one Brahmanda Purana. Brahmanda Purana. Okay, Puranas. So Brahmanda Purana. In this especially what happened? Ashtadasha Puranas we are calling. So these Puranas, Matsya Purana said about Shatavahanas. This Matsya Purana said 30 rulers are there in Shatavahanas like that. It gives good account. Okay. How many rulers? 30 rulers. 456 years they administered this Shatavahana empire like that. So this Matsya Purana mainly. This Matsya Purana gives good account about these people. You have to remember Puranas. In Puranas, how many Puranas are there? Ashta, Dasha we are calling. Ashta indicates 8, Dasha indicates 10. Ashtadasha indicates 18 Puranas. So like that Matsya Purana said that there are 30 rulers in Shatavahanas. How many rulers are there? 30 rulers. So in the examination sometimes some 4 rulers are given. You have to put them in an order. Pulamavi 2. So there is Kuntala Shatakarni. There is especially Hala Shatavahana. Gautami Putra Shatakarni. Like that 4 rulers are given. You put them in an order in the sense you have to put them in an order. You have to know the names of all the rulers. I will write all the names of 30 rulers on the board. Okay, nothing to worry. Each and everything you are going to get so high quality videos in depth, right? So at the same time, so your hard work is also very important. Your hard work is also very important, because I told you 80 to 90% we are going to strengthen you. Remaining at least 10% you have to get your own confidence, own levels. Okay, so like that here in the sources, Puranas, that is also one of the sources. Mainly Matsya Purana gives good account about this one. So Puranas 18 number, Brahma Purana that's one, Brahmanda Purana is the last one, like that. Got idea? So then coming to after Puranas, if you see, what are the important books they are giving good account about these people? Hala Shatavahana. Hala Shatavahana. This Hala Shatavahana, he wrote the book. Okay, Gatha Saptasati. The book written by this one is Gatha Saptasati, that was written. Gatha Saptasati. Gatha Saptasati, that was the book written by this one. So this said about the conditions of society. So this book gives good account about society, especially written by Hala Shatavahana. So it begins with Siva Slokam and ends with Parvati Slokam. This book Gatha Saptasati, it begins with Siva Slokam. Siva Slokam. It begins with Siva Slokam. Okay, ends with Parvati Slokam. Parvati. Ends with Parvati Slokam, like that it was said. Begins with Siva Slokam and ends with Parvati Slokam. It's there is combination of 700 different stories. How many are there in the sense? 700 different stories are there. Different stories, like that it was said. Different stories are there in this, and mainly they said about the conditions. It was written in Prakrit language. Okay, it was written in which language? Prakrit language. So that was written in Prakrit language, like that. In the beginning, this Hala Shatavahana, he was an illiterate. He married Sri Lankan princess, okay, Leelavati. Leelavati, without knowing that she was an illiterate, married. Thought that being a king, he possesses, he will have, okay. So all the qualities will be there in this, like that. She thought and married this Hala Shatavahana. Who? Leelavati. Their marriage took place at Sapta Godavari region, Draksharamam region, like that it was said. But after marriage only she came to know that Hala Shatavahana was illiterate. Then she said that, so being a ruler, you must be guide to your people, ideal to your people, but you are illiterate. How is it possible? That's why better you learn something, like that. She advised and went back to Ceylon, Sri Lanka, okay, parents' house. So then she was completely, okay, so decided that within a short period I have to do the things and I have to prove my capacity as a ruler, like that. He learned Sanskrit and Prakrit. At last in Prakrit he wrote the book Gatha Saptasati, you see. This book gives, Gatha Saptasati gives conditions of society. Many Telugu words also we can see from this book. Atta, Pilla, Potta, Addam, Andam, etc. words also appear in this book, like that it was said. This book also says that, this is the only book which said that in the period of Shatavahanas especially, hanging existed, like that it was said. In the period of Shatavahanas, this Gatha Saptasati said that. Saptasati also said that hanging existed in the period of, this hanging existed in the period of Shatavahanas, like that it says. It said about all the conditions. It said about all the conditions which existed in the society. So the conditions which exist in society that are said in this one only, like that we can say. Okay. So all these important things they were there. Got idea? So like that Gatha Saptasati, there is one of the important books, like that it was said. Then Gunadia wrote the book Brihat Katha. It was written in Paisachi Prakrit, like that it was said. Gunadia. Gunadia. This Gunadia, he wrote the book. Okay. So this Brihat Katha. This is Brihat Katha. Brihat Katha. This was written in Paisachi Prakrit, like that it was said. Paisachi Prakrit language. So this was written like that, it was said. Paisachi Prakrit only, it was written like that. So it is all said. Gunadhyam. He wrote the book Brihat Katha. It was written in Paisachi Prakrit. Based on this Brihat Katha, Katha Saritsagaram that was written by Somadeva Suri. The book Katha Saritsagaram. This also said about conditions of society. So one is Katha Saptasati, that said about the conditions. It begins with Sivaslokam, ends with Parvati Slokam. That you have to. It begins with Sivaslokam and ends with Parvati Slokam. Hanging existed like that, the book only gives. Okay, and some Telugu words, Atta, Pilla, Potta, Addam, Andam, etc. words appeared in Gatha Saptasati, that you have to remember. Okay, all the conditions it said. Then Gunadhya wrote the book Brihat Katha, that is also one of the important books you have to remember. Then Somadeva Suri, based on this one, Somadeva Suri. This Somadeva Suri wrote Katha Sarit Sagaram. Katha Sarit Sagaram. Katha Sarit Sagaram, that was written by Somadeva Suri. Who wrote Somadeva Suri? So Katha Sarit Sagaram, that was written by this Somadeva Suri. Okay. So this like that, number of books they are giving good account about. So this Shatavahanas like that, it was said. Okay. Brihat Katha Manjari, that was by Kshemendra. Brihat Katha Manjari. Kshemendra wrote the book. Kshemendra wrote the book Brihat Katha Manjari. Brihat Katha Manjari. This was by Kshemendra, like that it is said. Kshemendra wrote the book Brihat Katha Manjari. That's also one of the important books you have to. Then Sharva Varma wrote the book Katantriya Vyakarana. Sharva Varma. This Sharva Varma. Sharva Varma wrote the book Katantriya Vyakarana. Katantriya Vyakarana. This Katantriya Vyakarana, it's a Sanskrit grammar, like that it was said. It is Sanskrit grammar. So the Sanskrit grammar, like that it was said. So this Katantriya Vyakarana, mainly the Sharva Varma lived in the court of Kuntala Shatakarni. Kuntala Shatakarni learned this language. So from this Sharva Varma only, like that it was said. Okay, Sharva Varma lived in the court of Kuntala Shatakarni. Who was the ruler? 13th ruler. He was 13th ruler. Kuntala Shatakarni lived in the court of this Kuntala Shatakarni, like that it was said. 13th ruler was Kuntala Shatakarni. Right? So like that, that is also one of the important things, like that you can see. Got idea? Sharva Varma. This Sharva Varma, so he wrote the book Katha, there is a Katantriya Vyakarana in Sanskrit only. So like this is also one of the important books related with the Sanskrit. In the period of this Kuntala Shatakarni, Sanskrit became court language. So here Prakrit, that was the language of the court, and people also speaking. But in the period of this Kuntala Shatakarni, what happened? He passed an order that even servant maid also should speak in Sanskrit. Okay, like that. It was a maid compulsion. So who? This Kuntala Shatakarni. Like that. So this book also gives good account, like that we can say, related with this grammar. So then Vatsyayana wrote the book Kama Sutra. Vatsyayana. This Vatsyayana wrote the book Kama Sutra. This Kama Sutra, especially what happened, this also gives good account about the society. Mainly in the period of Shatavahanas, what festivals they existed, what are the important festivals they celebrated, like that, it all came through Vatsyayana's Kama Sutra. Naturally people think that, so it dealt with this, so especially like that they say. But here said about fairs and festivals. What festivals are there? What festivals are there in the period of Shatavahanas, like that it say. Was said about the festivals. Okay. Udyana Gamana, Ghata Nibandhana, Halaka, Madanotsava, like that. These are the festivals. Udyana Gamana. there is one of the festivals, Udyana Gamana, like that it was said. Ghata Nibandhana, Ghata Nibandhana, Ghata Nibandhana, Ghata Nibandhana, Madanotsava, 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 Halaka, etc. Festivals they are there like that it was said. Halikas are agriculturists. At the time of sowing season only this festival that is Halaka that was celebrated like that. It was all sad. Like that, Vatsyayana's book Kama Sutra. Okay. So this said about what in the sense. So there is especially festivals also in the period of this Shatavahanas, what festivals are there. And women they used to apply one perfume. Okay. So there is a perfume that also discussed in this like that it was such. Okay. So like this all these important things we are going to see, especially from Vatsyayana's Kama Sutra like that it was said. Okay. Then Acharya Nagarjuna, he was a Buddhist monk, you know well. Acharya Nagarjuna, he was a Buddhist monk. He wrote number of books. Prior to come to the court of Shatavahanas, he lived in the court of Kanishka. And after that, he came to the court of Yagnasri Shatakarni. Who is this one? Acharya Nagarjuna. This Acharya Nagarjuna. Acharya Nagarjuna. This Acharya Nagarjuna was called Indian Einstein. He was a Buddhist monk. Okay. He was a Buddhist. So Mahayana Buddhist, not Hinayana. Mahayana. This Mahayana Buddhist monk. This Mahayana Buddhist monk only. Acharya Nagarjuna was a Mahayana Buddhist monk like that it was said. Mahayana Buddhist monk. Acharya Nagarjuna we are calling. Okay. So he was called Indian Einstein. What important books written by this one? Lived in the court of Yagnasri Shatakarni. So this Acharya Nagarjuna, he lived in the court of Yagnasri Shatakarni. Yagnasri Shatakarni. Yagnasri Shatakarni. Okay. Number of books are written by, so this Acharya Nagarjuna. So Suhrul Lekha. What are the important books written? Suhrul Lekha. Suhrul Lekha. Wrote letters to Yagnasri related with this discussions especially. Okay. Regarding this one. Suhrul Lekha. They are the letters to Yagnasri Shatakarni written by Acharya Nagarjuna. Suhrul Lekha. Prajna Paramita Shastra. Prajna Paramita. Prajna Paramita Shastra. Sunya Saptadi. Sunya Saptadi. Sunya Saptadi. Rasaratnakaram. Rasa Ratnakaram. Rasaratnakaram, that's one. Arogya Manjari. Ratnavali Rajaparikatha. Like the number of books, once again we are going to see them while discussing this one. Okay. So like that, this also became another important sources. Acharya Nagarjuna. Number of books are there. So like that you have to remember all these important books. Okay. So then coming to one of the Jain saints. Jain monk lived in the period of these Shatavahanas. Kwandakundacharya. Kwandakundacharya. He was one of the important saints like that it was said. Kwandakundacharya. This Kwandakundacharya wrote. Kwandakundacharya. This Kwandakundacharya, he was a Jain monk. He was a Jain monk, we can say. He was a Jain monk. So he wrote books. What important books are written by this one? So the books written by this one. Samayasara. Samayasara. Niyamasara. This Niyama Sara. Niyamasara. Ayana Sara. Ayana Sara. And Pravachana Sara. Pravachana. This Pravachana Sara. Like that. All these are written by, so whom this Kwandakundacharya. So like that, these are all giving good account about Shatavahanas mainly. In maths following, sometimes in the examination, these books may be asked, that's why you must be thorough with these books. They are very, very important. So literary sources that we have seen. What are the important sources that are there in the sense you have to remember all these points. Have you got idea up to this? What are the important books in the sense you have to remember all these important books? So they are important. Okay, right then. Thank you.